Hi. I'm the man that walks in the night and explores. The man that's listening to the concrete, to the streets, to the buildings, and the moon and the sky and the stars. Oh, I'm in love with the sounds of the night. I can hear every detail, every sound. Yes, I am a sound seeker, and I'm looking for sounds that you have never heard, even in your mind, fantasies and dreams. The unique combination of sounds. That's what I am. Because I live in the city and the city lives in me. I am the urban child of the civilization. I feel happiness that I belong to the human race, that I can be part. I can represent the sounds of the unconsciousness, consciousness, and divine trustedness. When I see a picture, I can hear it. Have you seen my drawings from Utopia City? They're beautiful.